What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book Entertainment. So, looking at Makhumalo, she wants her independence from Musa Mseleku, and this is very clear. If you watch the 50th birthday that was held for Musa Mseleku, you could actually see that Mangwabe arrived late, and the reason that she gave, it just didn't make any sense at all. How can you say I spent all this time simply because I wanted to look beautiful? It's a sign that she is seeking independence from Musa Mseleku. The challenge now is that Musa Mseleku himself is having none of it. Musa Mseleku is seeing this birthday as more important than whatever Makhumalo is doing. So what we have now is a clash of egos. Mseleku has his own ego and he wants Makhumalo, to submit to him. What I'm seeing at the end of the day is that Makhumalo is not going to submit to Musa Mseleku as he wants. At the same time, Makhumalo is never going to leave Musa Mseleku. So we are going to end up with a marriage that is just in name only, but without, that those emotions of being together as husband and wife. That is exactly what is going to happen because Makhumalo is going to win this battle. She's going to get the independence that she wants. And there is nothing Musa Mseleku can do about it because most of the time he's going to be occupied with Samke Kwela. At least this is how I see these things. Tell me what you think in the comment section and I'll catch you guys on the next one.